So next we come to the next problems on the limits of the functions. So what we have, that is the limit as x tends to 0 x into seconds. The 19th problem we are going to discuss, that is x into seconds. So if you put that is the where there is a x is a 0 into sec 0. So we have already known that is the sec 0 is 1. So let me simply substitute that is the limit as x tends to 0 x into seconds. So how to find out the limit means first we have to put where there is a x, the value of the limit value is 0. Adantu 0 into sec 0 is equal to 1. That is 0 into 1, that is equal to 0. It is a defined. 0 is defined. So therefore limit as x tends to 0 x into sec x is equal to 0. So this is the limit of this function. This completes the problem. Very simple problem we have that. Next we move to the another problem, that is the 20th problem. That is limit as x tends to 0 sin ax plus bx divided by ax plus sin bx, where a plus b is not equal to 0. Then what we have to do means is equal to limit as x tends to 0 sin ax plus bx divided by ax plus sin bx. Suppose if you put the limit here, what happens? First we have to observe whether we will get the defined form or undefined form. If we got the undefined form, then what we have to do? So what simplification we have to make that, and what does a particular formula we have to use for this problem? So that we have to understand first. So first we will fill the limit. Where there is x, we have to put the 0. That is sin a into 0 plus b into 0 divided by a into 0 plus sin b into 0. I think so. Sin a into 0, sin 0 is 0 into term 0 divided by 0 plus 0. So again we got that is 0 by 0, which is undefined form. Which is undefined form. Which is undefined form. So then how to get to the defined form? So there we have to understand the situation of the problem, how it is there, which is a suitable formula for this to apply and to get that is to the defined form. So first trigonometric function is there. So which is a formula? We know that for the trigonometric function, that is limit as x tends to 0 sin x, ax is there, ax divided by, if we have ax, then we can write it is a 1. ಅವಾಗ 1 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ sin ax by x ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin bx. So we can make that is a constant, we can multiply and divide. So we need x here. For that purpose I will take the common, so x to the numerator and denominator. So I will make the simplification for that. Limit as x tends to 0, taking x as common in the numerator. So what we are getting there, sin ax divided by x plus b we got. Similarly, taking x common in the denominator also, x common, what we got, a plus here the x is not there, means we have to divide. Sin bx divided by x. So now here this x get cancelled. X cancel. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿದ್ರಿ? So next we come to here. So after this, so we'll apply the limit inside. So limit inside move madre, limit as x tends to 0, that is sin ax divided by x plus limit of the constant itself only we have already known, divided by limit of constant itself a plus limit as x tends to 0, that is sin bx divided by x. So now we can write, that is possible to write 1? No, still not that, because the reason is that sin ax by ax here what we need a. So if we go write that is a here, we have to multiply. Why? Because so both get cancelled. Here we need b, then we multiply b. So is equal to, finally what we got, a into limit. So is a another 1 by that divided by whole divided by a plus b into 1 by this formula. By this formula we can write is equal to another a into 1 a plus b divided by a plus b. So both get cancelled. So what is left? That is 1, which is defined form. So therefore what we got, the limit, shall I write here, limit as x tends to 0 sin ax plus bx divided by ax plus sin bx is equal to 1. So this problem complete. So this problem. Next we move to the limit as x tends to 0, that is cosec x plus minus cot x cosec x minus cot x is equal to, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, first we have to verify whether if we put the limit, so whether it will become a defined or not defined. If it becomes the defined, then we have to proceed. Otherwise we have to bring, so if it is undefined, then we have to bring to the defined form by making simplification adjustment that we have to do. So let me take that is the problem, limit as x tends to 0, that what we have, that is cosec x minus cot x, cosec x minus cot x. Suppose if you put the limit tumbre cosec 0 minus cot 0, cosec 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ undefined, infinity, minus this is also infinity, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ infinity minus infinity, it is undefined, which is undefined. If it is undefined, then what we have to make? We have to make simplification there is equal to, what simplification we can possible to do here? So then to eliminate out, so the best we have to convert this into the different forms. So cosec x that we can write 1 by sin x minus cot x that is cosec x divided by sin x. So now we can have the same LCM. So take the same LCM, limit as x tends to 0, then 1 minus cos x divided by sin x we got. Still if we put once again we get the same form, but here we have to modify this, simplify. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 minus cos x formula ಇದೆ. We have to use the formula 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, and simply the sin x is equal to, that is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿ. So let is equal to limit as x tends to 0, that is 1 minus cos x means 2 sin square x by 2 whole divided by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So 2 cancel, sin x by 2 cancel, sin by cos 10, that is the limit as x tends to 0 tan x by 2 tan x by 2. So one sin square ಇದೆ, ಅದರಾಗ ಒಂದು sin ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು sin ಉಳಿತು, sin by cos tan x. ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು is equal to ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So tan 0 by 2 is 0, tan 0 is 0. This completes the problem. It is a defined form. So here we got that is the limit as x tends to 0, that is cosec x minus cot x is equal to 0. So this is the problem. So this completes the problem. So next we move to, that is the another problem. So 22, limit as x tends to pi by 2 tan 2x divided by x minus pi by 2. X minus pi by 2. Nodri, so we know only the formulas that regarding the trigonometric function, that is limit as x tends to 0 tan x divided by x is equal to 1. Next, limit as x tends to 0 sin x divided by x is equal to 1. ಇವು ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದರಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? We have to use this formula. So to use this formula, we have to bring that given problem like this. Then only we can easily apply this. So for that here it is changing. X is tending to pi by 2, but then 0. If we have a 0, then we can. For that we have to make some. So ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x ಆಗ್ತಾ ಒಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ x minus pi, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋ. So let me consider, let me take that is the substitution. So let the given limit is limit as x tends to pi by 2 tan 2x divided by x minus pi by 2. So then ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, where x tends to x minus pi by 2 is equal to t. We will take that is x. So ಈಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x equal to t plus pi by 2. x equal to t plus pi by 2. One ಕೆಲಸ. Next, so ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x tends to pi by 2 ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ t ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x ಏನಾರ pi by 2 ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ t ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ pi by 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is t tends to 0. So then apply that. Limit as t tends to 0 ತಗೋಕ್ರಿ x ಹೋಯ್ತು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ tan of 2 times of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ t plus pi by 2 or we can write that like this pi by 2 plus t ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು whole divided by t whole divided ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ 2 ಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ so then what we are getting that is limit as t tends to 0 tan 2 times of 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ pi plus 2t whole divided by t so ನಮಗೆ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತೇವ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ tan 180 plus theta is tan theta is equal to limit as t tends to 0 tan 2t divided by t so because we know that tan 180 minus plus t is equal to tan t 180 means pi so ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2t ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ 2 into limit as t tends to 0 tan 2t divided by 2 so ಒಂದ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 1 by that 2 into 1 is equal to 2 so finally we got that limit as x tends to pi by 2 tan 2x divided by x minus pi by 2 is equal to 2 so this completes the problem so next we move to that is the So 23rd problem. We come to the 23rd problem. Find limit as x tends to 0 f of x and limit as x tends to 1 f of x where f of x is equal to f of x in quadrant 2x plus 3 x is less than or equal to 0 3 times of x plus 1 where x is greater than 0 where x is greater than 0 so be careful the function is defined in terms of inequality means so right side and left side less than and greater than they have defined it means that right side and left side so we have already known about the limit when we are discussing the limit we got the idea about the left hand limit and right hand limit if left hand limit and right hand limit are equal then the limit of the function is exist otherwise the limit of the function is not exist so let me recall that so first the function is how it is defined we have to observe according to that we have to find out the limit so whenever the limit is existence for a limiting point 0 it means that is a right hand limit of at x equal to 0 is equal to left hand limit is if both are equal then it is equal to the limit as x tends to 0 f of x so left hand limit how we indicate means so limit as left hand limit is equal to limit as x tends to 0 minus it indicates left side so less than 0 it means minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 0 ದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ less than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x. So that we have to find. Right hand limit means RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 0 plus. So 0 plus ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮುಂದುಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. So that is f of x. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So that function we have to use to find if both are equal. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಇದ್ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ at limit x equal to 1 ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, 1 ಏನೈತಿ it is greater than 0, then we have to use this direct definition for finding the limit of that function. So when this kind of inequality is given, so at that time we have to find the right hand limit and left hand limit. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಆ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ the limit is not exist, we have to state. So first we'll see that is 1 by 1. First ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, limit of the function ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. First limit as, so first we find out the LHL. LHL is equal to left hand limit as x tends to 0 minus e function limit 0 minus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 0 minus f of x ಯಾವುದು, that is very important here. ಈ f of x ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0. ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ, 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುವುದೇ ಅದು x less than 0. x less than 0 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ 2x plus 3, that we have to take, that is 2x plus 3 to ಈಗ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into 0 plus 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ x ಹಾಕೋದು ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. 2 into 0 0 0 plus 3, that we got the LHL ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ 3. ಹಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 0 plus here 0 plus. So plus ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು, ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. That is equal to 3 times of x plus 1. So now what we have to do to get the evaluate the limit, where there is x we have to put that limiting point. Limiting point ಯಾವುದು, 0. x ಇದ್ದರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 into 0 plus 1. After filling the limit, don't use that symbol. 0 plus 1 1 1 into 3 3. So ಎರಡು ಏನಾದರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಹೌದ್ರಿ. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, that is LHL is equal to RHL. LHL is equal to RHL. From 1 and 2, the LHL is equal to RHL. LHL is equal to RHL. So LHL is equal to RHL, therefore the limit is exist. Limit exist ಅಂದ್ರೆ that limit as x tends to 0 f of x is equal to LHL is equal to RHL is equal to the limit in it. So it implies that limit as x tends to 0 f of x is equal to 3. So this is the limit of the the function. In this way, we have to identify the limit of the function if they have given in terms of inequality. Inequality ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ must and should you have to find the left hand limit and right hand limit. Then we have to confirm whether they are equal. If they are equal, limit is exist and that limit is equal to the value of the left hand and right hand. The limit of the function is equal to this. Completes the problem. So next we have another example, that is at x tends to 1, that we have to find. So this completes the problem. Nodri. So now we have to find out the limit second, that is limit as x tends to 1 f of x. So limiting point ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ರಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x tends to 1 means what? It is greater than 0, means we have to use this function. So 1 ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು less than 0 ಅಂತ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ರಿ. 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, we have to use this function only, a definition of that. So simply limit as x tends. So for this there is no necessity to find out left hand and right hand limit. Why? Because for this point they have not given the inequality. E point is less than or greater than ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು left right ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is, otherwise it is not necessary. 3 times of x plus 1. 3 times of x plus 1. So where there is x, what we have to put? 1. So 3 into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. That is 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So this completes the problem. So next we move to the another problem. So next find the limit limit as x tends to 0 f of x, sorry, as x tends to 1 f of x, where f of x is given, that is equal to x square minus 1, x less than or equal to 1, minus x square minus 1, where x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1. So be careful about this. Nodri, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ inequality at what point, that is x tends to 1. inequality ಇರಬೇಕು, x tends to 1 ಗೆ ಅದ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು if our function is in an inequality. So let me find out the left hand limit. Limit at what point we are going to find out? At 1 minus, means it indicates that the definition of the function must be less than 1. Less than 1. So f of x is equal to, that is limit as x tends to 1 minus f of x ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. less than 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square minus 1. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ x square 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Next RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus 1 plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, greater than 1 ಯಾವದೈತೆ, that is minus x square minus 1. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So that is minus 1 square minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ. So that is RH RHL is not equal to LHL. RHL is not equal to LHL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? That limit is not exist. Therefore the limit is not exist. 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 This completes the problem. Limit exist ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So it's completed the problem. So next we see the next class.